Hello students, welcome to IAE. In this video, we are going to discuss a numerical on power electronics. Let's see the numerical. The circuit shows an ideal diode connected to a pure inductor and is connected to a purely sinusoidal 50 Hz voltage source. So, in the circuit we see here, this is the 10 sine 100 pi t with the frequency 50 Hz and is connected to a pure L whose value is 0.1 by pi Henry, and in between these two there is a diode connected. Okay, then they are asking the question, under ideal conditions the current waveform through the inductor will look like. There are four options given. Option 1 is the current 0.5, 1, 1.5 the values, and time in millisecond 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we see this is the current waveform. In option B, we see that the same duration but the current waveform is little bit different, where we see the current starts here and ends at 10. Okay, here it's 10, it ends at 5. Now in option C, we see that the same current waveform but whose maximum value is 2 and it ends at 20 millisecond, then 40 millisecond and so on. In option D, we see that the current waveform look like this, 0.5, 1, 1.5, and there is no current in between 10 to 20 millisecond. All these y-axis are current and the x-axis are millisecond. Okay, now we have to find out what will be the right answer. Now, in one of the video I have already discussed what will be the behavior of the pure inductor in case of alternating voltage source. Prior to watching this video, it will be better if you watch that video where I have discussed in depth. And also I will make some videos on the other power electronic concepts. And if you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, you will get the notification for the new videos when it will be out. Okay, so coming back to the problem, we see that this is the situation. And we know that in this case, current equation is I0 equal to Vm, the maximum value of the input voltage divided by the impedance omega L into 1 minus cos omega t. Okay, now from this expression we can understand one thing, that is the maximum value of the current. What will it be? We know that the maximum of the current occurs at omega t equal to pi. I have already discussed in that video. So it will be 2 Vm by omega L. Okay. Also, let me draw the current waveform also. It will be, this is the input voltage and the output current will be like this. It will start from 0 and it will reach the maximum at the point pi, and this is 2 pi. Then the next cycle will repeat. Now I0 max will be 2 Vm by omega L. Okay, so to calculate the maximum value, what we will do, we will put all these values, where Vm is given as 2 into Vm is 10, here it is given, so 2 into 10 divided by omega equal to 2 pi f, so it will be 2 into pi into f equal to 50 Hz it is given, right? Then the L is given as 0.1 by pi Henry, so it will be 0.1 by pi. See here, pi will get cancelled out and 2 into 50 is 100, so 2 into 10 divided by 100 into 0.1, which is nothing but 10, and the answer will be 2 ampere. 2 ampere is the maximum value, right? Now, how much duration the current will flow? We have seen that the frequency is 50 Hz. So, F equal to 50 Hz. The time period from here we can calculate, that will be capital T